Good morning, guys. Today is the day for the Evo IX. The new wheels come in, so we're gonna get the new wheels on. We just got the brakes ceramic coated, so those are looking absolutely beautiful. We got the Brembo stickers on. It's up and running good. Time to make it look good and just get this thing 100% complete. So there's one really strange issue I've noticed. Hold up, check out those calipers. Those look so good. So I don't know why someone would do this. They put coilovers on the car, and to lower it, all they did was take a bunch of preload out of the spring, which also destroyed that boot. Not a huge deal, but how you're supposed to properly lower coilovers is with this lock ring right here. That locks the strut itself to the lower strut mount. So what we're gonna do is get this spring preload proper how it should be, and then we're gonna adjust this coilover properly. I don't know why someone would do that. It's kind of a ghetto way to lower it. It makes it ride kind of strange. So yeah, let's get that fixed up. We can get the wheels back on the car. Definitely need to get this windshield replaced. Some nice cracks in it. I know people have been asking to take the sticker off, but it's kind of pointless if we're just gonna get the windshield replaced anyway. We got the coilovers adjusted properly. Now, being that we have the preload how it should be, it's probably gonna raise the front end of the car a little bit, which is completely fine. We can just adjust that whenever we get the new wheels. I know they're gonna show up today, but my appointment for the windshield, I just made one. It's at 12 o'clock today, so I don't know if they're gonna show up before then. So for now, we're gonna have to just run the XXRs. As soon as the new wheels show up, we can roll back home and throw the new wheels on. Let's get the XXRs back on, get them torqued down. What else do we have to fix before we head out? Maybe give this car a wash. It's full of powder from powder coating the Brembos. So let's get the wheels on, give the car a bath. We can head out and get this windshield replaced, potentially hit up Elko Tint Shop and get some tint work done. Oh yeah, guys, she definitely got lifted up a little bit in front. We can fix that though when we throw on the new wheels.
Up the new hair.
Whack. We made it here to Northwest Auto Glass in Spokane. Let's pull in the Evo IX, get this busted windshield replaced. All right, guys, we just got a fresh new windshield. Huge shout out to Northwest Auto Glass for getting that done. What up, sexy?
Oh, man.
Well, we just made it back down to Elko Tint Shop where we originally wrapped this car. Look at the rest of the tint. Do you think it should be done or is it good?
It's not bad.
Should we do just the strip or should we send it on the whole windshield?
I can do the whole windshield or I can just do the strip.
Let's just do the whole, no, let's do the whole thing.
Thing.
Let's do the whole thing. I'm gonna regret it if I don't. Just like how I regret it on the Evo 8. Now I have to bring the Evo 8 back down and have the whole windshield tinted on that. We're gonna do the whole windshield on this car. What's legal? Should look good though. It looks way better already with the new windshield. I'm super excited to get these new wheels on. Get the new wheels on right after this, but first off, let's have Alex do his thing and get this windshield tinted up. The windshield just got replaced, so the glue is still super wet in there. That's why they have the table. Can you still tint it, or should we wait?
Well, it's not recommended.
Just be gentle, bro. Before we do that, let's go. I want to go check out your truck. It's all finished up. I think the last time you saw this truck, it was pretty much all stock. Now look at it. Dude, it's so big, bro. Do you like it?
Oh yeah, I love it. Drives nice, everything.
Yeah. Have you got pulled over yet?
Yeah.
You have?
My first day that I finished it. No mud flaps, no fender flares, nothing. I'm like, dude, I just finished it. All the stuff, all the parts are in order.
So here it is, guys. It turned out so sick. 9-inch lift, right? Yeah, 9-inch lift on 24-inch wheels, 37-inch tires, right? Dude, that is so sick. It's almost too big, bro. Yeah. How are you supposed to change your glow plugs? Can't even get up there. As soon as the chrome delete is done on the front, this thing's gonna be literally mint. You just got a video done, right? Like a cinematic video. Yeah, if you guys want to check out a super sick, actually, really sick cinematic video of that truck, it's on Alex's channel. I'll link it up in the top right hand corner. Go peep the damn video.
You got butterfingers or something?
As Alex is tinting the windshield, I'm gonna take off the rain visors because they're ugly as shit and they're purple.
Yeah, people keep commenting, take those off, take those off.
All right, guys, the windshield's all finished up. Much better there. And then I got all these little window visors off. And being that those visors were on, you can see the difference where trim coat was applied and where it's not. So I'm gonna have to go through, re-trim coat all that. Yes, sir. It looks much better though. Thanks, bro. Well, let's head home, throw the new wheels on the car, get the front drop down a little bit, and it should look really nice with the new setup. All right, guys, we're back home now. I got a haircut, I shaved, I look a little bit different, but I just got a call from the shipper. My wheels are being delivered to the auto freight place, so we're gonna have to go meet him there, pick up the wheels, put them in the truck. He couldn't just drop them off at my house for whatever reason. You guys may be disappointed in these wheels. Just being honest. My wheel should be on that truck right there. So I bought some used wheels off of eBay. They're pretty cheap. That's the reason I bought them. I was just browsing randomly. You know, I wasn't planning on buying another set of Rays, and they showed up and they're severely beat. Like really beat up. It's gonna take a lot of work to get these things to a mint condition. Yep, guys, we picked up another set of Rays Grandlight 57 Extremes. Same, 100% same exact wheel, same spec as the wheels on the Evo 8. I always get questions what wheels those are. They are Rays Grandlight 57 Extremes. If I can find a set, I'll link them down below. I picked these up used off eBay like I mentioned earlier. They are way worse condition than I expected, but it should be kind of fun trying to fix these things up. I may have to get some stuff welded in if the curb rash is too deep in places. But either way, I want to put them on the car today. We're not going to be powder coating them anytime soon. I feel like you guys are getting sick of powder coating videos. At least that's what some comments are. So let's chill out on powder coating for a little bit. Let's just run the wheels how they are. wait for the new tires to show up. Let's get them unloaded out of the truck, get them on the car. These things are so freaking haggard. I shouldn't have bought them. Super bad rash up through there. Honestly, this is probably the best wheel. All that should clean up. That right there, though, is what I'm worried about. I don't know. When I get them sandblasted, we'll see how they are. Pretty bad rash right here on the whole wheel. That'll clean up fine. That should clean up fine. Same thing on this one. Really bad rash. In the center there for the center cap, the rays are bolted on, and as you can see, both of those bolts are snapped off. Last wheel, this one's not terrible. It's pretty freaking bad, but geez, yeah. These are the new wheels for the Evo 9. Being that these are the exact spec as the Evo 8 wheels, we now have two of the same exact sets. I think the Nardo Gray needs a dark color wheel, especially with the calipers that are on there. So I'm either gonna go with black on these wheels, but being that we have two of the same exact sets, what if we took the graphite grays off of the Evo 8, put them on the Evo 9, and then we powder coated these wheels a crazy color, the ones we just picked up, a crazy color for the Evo 8. That car has blue calipers on it, so I don't know what color I would do. That's why I'm coming to you guys. Do you think we should do like blue wheels or something on the Evo 8? Would that look good? Or should we just leave the Evo 8 how it is? I don't know. Drop a comment down below. While that car's up in the air though, I do need to lower the front end. So let's measure it right now. I think it's got to go down about 1.5 inches. Here's the back. That's the front. Yeah, let's drop it down about 1 inch. Got the new wheels on. I'm just not feeling the way anymore, and can't pass up a good deal on a set of rays. These wheels go for like $2,000 new, $2,200 I believe. For just the wheels, I paid $900 shipped for the wheels and tires, and we'll just have to spend a few hours getting them cleaned up and powder coated. The only debate is figuring out what color we're gonna do for this car and for that car. I just realized how absolutely crusty these wheels are. I might as well give them a quick cleaning before we throw them on the car. They are so freaking dirty. Let's grab some degreaser and a brush and a sponge, and let's get to work. This coilover ended up being seized, the shock body to that lower strut mount, so I pulled it off quick. Let's get that thing unseized, get it adjusted properly, and I'm guessing the other front side is probably going to be seized as well. Thankfully, these are super easy to remove. She is severely seized. Let's let some WD-40 soak into that, and hopefully we can get that thing unstuck, or else we'll be stuck at a bunk ride height. We got one coilover unseized. We're still working on getting that one unseized. So while that is soaking, let's go ahead, throw this coilover back on, throw the wheel on, and we could probably get the side on the ground and see how it looks with the new wheels. Oh yes, I think this color combo is 1,000 times better. That looks so damn good. It looks like the front is still a little bit high. I'll probably go down another 1/2 inch of the front, but seriously guys, the black on the wheels makes that yellow pop so much harder. Damn, that looks good. We just got to drop down another 1/2 inch. Perfect height for this car. Damn, let's bring it outside, bring it down to the road, do a little photo shoot, video shoot, and see how this thing looks outside of the garage. I know these wheels are in pretty shitty condition, but that's okay. You already know we can fix these things up to just as good as new condition. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new wheels. I think the black looks absolutely amazing on the Nardo Gray with the fluorescent yellow calipers. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.